Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are now making a simple machine gun. Hope you like it.
I'm doing like this.
We will now need a redstone, torch,
Redstone torch.
I'm very sorry, repeater, and the dispenser, and an arrow. We will place four of these, oh my god, four of this redstone torch in either sides of these blocks and put redstone on it. Sorry. You will be needing 8 redstones. And replacing this with a repeater. Placing a dispenser. I'm gonna
This
make
is
it
a
another.
simple. This is simple.
We will need a lever to stop the blinking. We will fill this with arrows.
Hey, look at this. Look at this. Look.
Yes. Wow.
What? It's not blinking.
You are very wrong. Look at my creation.
No, it's...
Now we are now finished. This is a dispenser facing up. That you can put it
Oh, it's because
facing
of
another
this.
side.
Because of the dispenser. And the X. Oh, this is the thing.
And I will make another here. Facing the other side. Downwards.
Oh.
Get some of that arrow and fill it too. Now look at this. Yeah! It is very fancy.
Look at.
Hope you like it. Oh my god.
Please subscribe. Oh, it's not. Ah!
Like that.
Hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.
Bye!
Bye.